Unlock your brain's full potential. Spy approved. Learning hacks. What if I told you there's a way to supercharge your brain, master new skills in record time, and do it without textbooks, flashcards, or traditional study routines? Sounds like science fiction, but it's not. The CIA, Soviet intelligence agencies, and elite military units have used these exact methods to train spies, polyglots, and field agents in weeks, not years. And now you're going to learn how to use them. This isn't motivational fluff. This is neuroscience-backed brain hacking. Let's break down the spy-approved system. By-Adad. Step 1. Sleep learning. Use theta waves like the Soviets. Yes, you can learn while sleeping. Soviet agents once trained in accelerated language acquisition using a method called Hypno-Learning, which involved exposing the brain to information during theta wave states, those dreamy moments between wakefulness and sleep. Your hack. Before bed, search for 4HZ theta wave tracks on YouTube. While listening, softly review what you're trying to learn: Spanish verbs, math formulas, historical facts. Bonus, snap your fingers during review. That snap becomes a mental trigger. Later, when you snap while scrolling social media, it'll yank your focus back into learning mode, like flipping a switch. Step 2. Neuropriming. Train focus through chaos. Spies don't study in silence, they train in chaos. Why? Because real missions happen in unpredictable environments. Training in distraction helps the brain adapt and sharpen focus. Your hack. Simulate chaos. Play background cafe noise, sirens, street sounds. Every 7 minutes, add an unpredictable sound: an alarm, a beep, a dog bark. Start light. Then gradually increase the intensity over time. Your brain learns to ignore distractions and lock in, just like a field agent under fire. Step 3. The 5-sense memory hack. Engage all senses. Ever smelled cinnamon and instantly remembered grandma's kitchen? That's not nostalgia, it's neurology. The brain stores memories better when tied to senses. Spies weaponize this. Your hack. While studying, chew cinnamon gum or wear a specific cologne. Later, use that same scent to recall the info. It creates a neural link between the sensory trigger and the memory. Take it further. Want to take it further? Use colored lights, background music, or even a specific outfit. Yes, really. That red hoodie? Now it's your Spanish verbs. Hoodie. Step 4. The memory palace. Turn your house into a giant cheat sheet. Spies use loci techniques, visualizing rooms and assigning information to objects. Your brain naturally maps your environment, so let's exploit that. Your hack. Assign data to places. Mirror. Your mirror equals your top 3 goals for today. Fridge. Your fridge equals success formula. Hallway. The hallway equals your must-remember phrase. Each time you walk past, your memory gets refreshed. You're literally walking through a live study guide. Step 5. Interleaved learning. The 10-minute rule. Instead of cramming one subject, spies mix topics to force neural cross-training. It's called interleaving, and it's a proven memory booster. Your hack: study topic A for 10 minutes. Switch to topic B for 10 minutes. Then, to topic C, repeat. Your brain starts building bridges between unrelated ideas, unlocking creative insights and stronger memory. You're not just learning faster, you're learning smarter. Step 6, the 4-week spy training plan. Here's your brain-boosting blueprint. 1. Week 1. Sleep learning. Use theta waves plus sensory triggers. 2. Week 2. Neuropriming. Train focus in controlled chaos. 3. Week 3. Sensory anchors plus memory palaces. 4. Week 4. Interleaved learning. Mix topics every 10 minutes. Stack these techniques like CIA field missions. You'll experience sharper recall, faster focus shifts, and learning speed that feels superhuman. Final thoughts. This is your brain on easy mode. Forget the myth that learning has to be slow and painful. Your brain isn't a hard drive, it's a living, pattern-building, sense-driven machine. When you hack into the right inputs, learning becomes effortless. Do it for a week. Track your focus, memory, and retention. Then do it for a month. You'll never go back to passive study methods again. And one last warning. If you start unlocking spy-level brain power, try to keep it quiet. They might come looking for their secrets back. Ready for a mental performance upgrade? Liked this mental performance upgrade? Bell subscribe, comment your favorite hack, and share this with someone still stuck in study mode. 1999. Fluent French, calculus mastery, or photographic memory could be just a few mental tweaks away. Because the best learning feels like breathing. And now you've got the cheat codes.